survivalist, off-grid living. A little warning for the Americans out there who are going, yay, MAGA Trump, MAGA Trump, MAGA Trump. For all you people out there, he's saying, drill, 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 baby, drill, drill, drill. Now, the drilling he is referring to is fracking, fracking, fracking. Now, the way that fracking works, for out there who don't understand, it works by drilling a hole down deep into the ground and then pumping in salt water because it's the cheapest water you can get. Big ass 1,000-mile pipeline to the sea, and you fill it with salt water. The salt water soaks into the shell rocks that has gas inside of it, and it fracks it open under pressure, which releases the gas that can then be captured and used to cook your burgers in. Oh, here's the kind of stuff you would like to eat over there. But the thing is, they don't pump out the salt water. It stays there, deep underground, which then pollutes, contaminates your water supply, your groundwater. So all you Americans over there who getting your water from a hole in the ground, you're going to find it tasting rather salty. Rather salty. So you might want to reconsider your, go MAGA, go drill, drill, drill. He's poisoning our water supply. And it wasn't that great to start with. Did you know that apparently a large percentage of American homes still have lead piping? Even the Oompa Loompas worked that one out 100 years ago, that lead in your water is a bad thing. So, yeah, drill, drill, drill also means with your water supply. Just I mention it for those of you like Tucker Carlson doing his off-grid thing. I am shooting my animals. I'm going to drink my water. I'm going to die because he's drilling.